Hello everybody, this is Ethan, and now I'm gonna play Fusion Fall. We're gonna do the mission for Dexter, Nano, and mission is called Lab Monkeys. We'll just have to wait.
Now with the new Cartoon Network app, you can do both at the same time. Whoa! Alright, now let's test this baby out. Works great. Games, video. Wait, what are you doing? Don't shoot darts at me. I wasn't told about this.
That guy really sounds mean. So for Cartoon Network's birthday, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna give the Dexter Nano just for them. Let's get to it. Let's go to Rex Ultrawise. Oh yeah, that's where the mission is from. The first part of this mission is to Fusion Computress. The last time I got on, it wouldn't work because it said ID is already in the game. So, just gonna have to do this again. Just hope it works this time. At least you can see my nails now, so it's even better. As you can hear in the background, it's like I'm at Reap. A Reap call. Go in. Once there, nothing can get out. Just had to kill 2 Horror Kings. It's not fair, dude. Just not fair. No, it's really glitchy when I do these videos. 2 things running at the same time. So, that's what happens. Oh! Now instead of this being, yeah, sorry, I'm gonna have to stop for now. It's really glitchy, so, bye.